Hey dinos, your friend Kitty Cat here. I'm so glad my dinos join me every week for a new lesson. Learning numbers makes it so much more fun when we can do it together. Today's fun fact about glaciers is that they carry particles as they move. Some of these particles are massive boulders, while the tiny rocks are called rock flour. Isn't that interesting? Now, on to our worksheets. Remember, the worksheets are provided on the link below. If you can't print them out, don't worry. Watching is learning as well. Now let's put our thinking caps on and get ready for a fun new lesson. Is my dinos ready? Now that you're ready, let's pick a color and write our names. What color are you choosing today? Oh, I like that color. I chose blue. Great job! Your letters are looking better every week. Now let's read the directions. Count the critters, circle the number, then color. Let's read it one more time. Count the critters, circle the number, then color. So first it says to count the critters. Let's count the critters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I counted 6 critters. Now it asks us to circle the number. Do we circle 2? No. Do we circle 4? Nope. Do we circle 10? No. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do we circle number 6? Yes, good job. Let's grab our crayon and circle the number like it tells us to. Now, we color. I love this part. You could color the picture any color you like. Today I'm coloring the sun yellow. Remember, there's no rush. I'm coloring the brick red. I'm coloring the first Humpty Dumpty blue. What color did you choose? The second Humpty, I'm going to color it a light green. Third Humpty, I'm going to color it orange. What color did you choose? Oh, great color. I like that color too. The fourth Humpty, I'm going to color it pink. The fifth Humpty, I'm going to color it a light brown. Last but not least, I'm coloring the last Humpty red. I love red. Red reminds me of a fire truck. What does it remind you of? I'm coloring all the Humpties a light peach color. What color did you choose? I'm coloring the background a light purplish blue. In the stripes area, what color did you choose? Oh, that color is amazing. I know it's a little bit different, but the rest of the background sky, I'm going to color it orange, because I think that's fun, don't you? Wow, great job, dinos! I love what you've done. I bet your worksheet looks amazing. But do you know who's more amazing? You! I'll see you next week. Bye, dinos!
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!